How to buy CZ's dog token. So this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of broccoli. So this is another token of broccoli. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token, make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. Now this token is created 7 hours ago and increased by 70 or 73,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 on Binance Smart Chain section. So to be able to buy this token, it is that simple. Just click here to copy the token address. This token address is under the Binance Smart Chain network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. So after that, what you need to do, just select from here the BNB chain. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon. So after that, go back to your wallet to find your token that you just added. So this is just scroll down. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. So here, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is, and after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy broccoli token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.